Valentine's Day. Welcome to today's top stories with the Beaufort County News headlines. I'm Chloe G. With a looming deadline, county and town of Hilton Head Island officials came one step closer to finalizing their plan for a multi-million-dollar bridge project. At a public workshop on February 12th, a majority of Beaufort County and town council members expressed support for the first 6 options presented by county staff and the SC Department of Transportation. That option, called Option 1, is among the most affordable choices, signaling an understood necessity to scale back what was once a $488 million project. Option 1 holds a $257.7 million price tag. It calls for replacement of the Mackay Creek and Skull Creek bridges, producing a new 3-lane bridge with breakdown lanes. For me, Option 1 is the best option to go with, Hilton Head Town Mayor Alan Perry said. It addresses the emergent need of what we're facing. Beaufort County and the town in recent weeks have raced towards a long-awaited decision for the island's ambitious bridge project, under pressure to meet a deadline set by the State Infrastructure Bank. They have until March 31st to drastically adjust the project's scope within budget or lose a significant chunk of funding, putting the entire project in jeopardy. If the county and town fail to finalize a plan by March 31st, it's likely the SC Department of Transportation will step in and replace only the deficient span of bridge. This scenario would scrap the planned project and cause serious congestion issues on and off the island while construction is underway. The bridge replacement is a county project that's moved forward with considerable input and permissions from the town of Hilton Head Island. Ultimately, it's DOT that owns and maintains the span of bridges connecting Hilton Head to the mainland, and that department will have the final say. Beaufort County Veterans Affairs has partnered with Tri-Command to host a number of benefits delivery at discharge program for service members that have a separation date within 91 to 180 days. The workshops are open to active duty service members if they have a known separation date within 91 to 180 days and are available to complete VA exams 45 days from the submission date. Please check the flyer online for more information, or you can contact MCCS at 843-288-2761. Beaufort County Veterans Affairs Office assists veterans, their spouses, and other dependents with access to government programs for which they are eligible. Veterans Affairs counselors are available by appointment only by calling 843-255-6880. For more information, check out online. The Federal Benefits Handbook for Veterans, Dependents, and Survivors is also available online at www.va.gov. At the most recent council meeting, officials discussed the timeline for the green space sales tax collection and clarified when the tax will cease to be collected following questions regarding the cease of collection date. Beaufort County contacted the South Carolina Department of Revenue and Senator Tom Davis for guidance. After review by all parties, it was decided that the tax collection should end at $100 million target had been met. The South Carolina Department confirmed that it would take the necessary administrative steps to officially cease the green space tax collection on February 28, 2025. Beginning Saturday, March 1st, the green space sales tax should no longer be collected by retailers. SCDOR will facilitate the required system and taxpayer notifications. Beaufort County wants to extend its gratitude to Senator Tom Davis for his prompt and effective advocacy in this matter, and we thank the SCDOR for the resolution that aligns with the original intent of the tax's timeline. Beaufort County business owners should contact the SCDOR if they have any further questions in regards to updating their point-of-sale systems. Any additional funds collected by the green space sales tax in excess of the $100 million target will be added to the same fund to aid the continued conservation work voted on by the citizens of Beaufort County. That is all the time we have for today's headlines, but if you're interested on any of these stories, check out the sources that you see on your screen. Thank you and have a great rest of your Valentine's Day, Beaufort County.